Welcome back to the YouTube video. Like and subscribe to Brian, and yeah, like and subscribe to Brian. That's my channel. So yeah. Oh my God, this card, cat. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh crap! One. What the hell? Shut the door! Shut the door! Shut the door! What are you doing, guys? You shut the door. What? There's no. Okay. Okay. Bye. Okay. No. Please. Oh no. Oh crap. It's just. No. What's happening? Oh God. So there also was a missing person in the train section, like a couple of videos ago. So yeah. So we're trying to find him, and yeah, blah blah blah. Yeah, we can't find him, and yeah. What the hell was that? What the hell was that? Oh crap! Oh no! One. What was that thing? What was that thing? What was that? No. What's that? Oh crap! I better. What the sound? No, this is so funny. That was like a bridge. Whoa, my God. Not over yet. Not over yet, folks. I wonder what that means. What the hell? Hell no. I just. Okay, that's just a person. I'm not Mickey. My bro, this is. How you not Mickey? We all like Mickey. Bro, you're like Mickey. How you not Mickey? Are you trying to be a copy of Mickey? And then Mickey beat you up and then did this to you? How are you not even Mickey? What's your name, bro? You are Mickey. I don't know what he's talking about. He's probably insane, that Mickey. Oh no, the bushworm is gonna eat them. Holy shit, what's that? What's over the tornado? I'm not bug. I don't know what that means. What's the sound? Wait, who's that? You in danger? Oh, okay, it's so cute. This is one course. Oh, it's so cute. Is that Mickey? Mickey. Wait. Mickey? Oh shoot. Oh crap. Oh shoot. Who's that? Where is that creature? Need better one. I think it's so short. Can escape from me. I can escape from it. Also like and subscribe. Please, I only have one subscriber. I'm in deaf. I don't have money. Please. Oh, somebody's dying over there. So it's gonna be the end of a video. Yeah. It's over there. What's over there? Is that Canton dog? Is that Canton dog, guys? It's Canton dog, bro. Oh shoot. You got Canton dog is killing somebody. I think I cut the door. Let's put the door. Boom. Open the door, bro. really there until someone opened the door? Bro, oh, shut the door, shut the door. Okay, that's going to be the end of the video. Like and subscribe.